Hi, I'm Jenna May, and I'm going to be going over the drill press. So the drill press is used for drilling holes, and it's much less precise than the mill. So we generally use the drill press for things that don't need to be measured exactly, and we don't use it nearly as often as the mill. All of the pictures of drill presses that are in this presentation aren't pictures of the exact model that we have in the shop. However, they are very similar, so there shouldn't be any difference in the ones in this presentation and the one that we have. As you can see, the drill press has a few main parts. So first, the motor is located in the back, and that is what makes the drill bit actually spin. And the switch is on the front, and that is how you would turn the drill press on or off. And then the chuck is what holds the actual drill bit, and you can use a little key to tighten or loosen it on the side. You're going to put the part that you're going to be drilling into on the bed, and that can be adjusted. The height of the bed can be adjusted by using the clamp and loosening that or tightening that. And the lever is on the side of the drill press, and when you turn that, the chuck will move up and down so you could actually get the drilling motion. Some general drill press safety: you always want to tie long hair back and take off or secure any loose clothing or jewelry that you have on. You always want to keep your hands away from the drill press as it's spinning. And you always want to clamp your part down to the bed. This prevents you having a wildly spinning metal part flying around in the shop. And just like any other thing in the shop, you always want to be wearing your safety glasses. So to actually use the drill press, you want to clamp down your part to your bed, which is very important. Then you want to turn on the drill press and turn the lever to move the drill bit down. And if there's any metal chip buildup, you want to back out the drill just slightly. And remember that you always want to be moving it slowly. And that's all I have. I hope that y'all learned something from this presentation, whether it be getting new information or reinforcing your existing knowledge. Thanks for watching.